English B1. The fall or production letters took presented to Marta Lucía Santos, Philipet by Ángela Castellanos. Group 1236. Public Accounting at UNAD. Hello, welcome to Quindío. I am U2 Cairo. The department is Quindío, located in Colombia, and the region is 1,458 meters above sea level with an average temperature of 20 degrees Celsius throughout the year round. Travel trips. You can travel throughout the year. The language spoken in this place: Spanish and English. The currency used in the Colombian peso or the dollar. Do not forget to carry to your handlers a safe place. You have to bring your medicine. You must wear comfortable clothes and light in color. Do not forget to include the solar blocker and sunglasses. Inside the apartment, people can take tricycle, flip, jeep, Chiva horse, etc. In Quindío, you can visit tourist sites such as 1. The Crush of Lady of Carmen. 2. The Parque Nacional Los Nevados. 3. Cocora Valley. 4. Theme Park, such as Coffee Park or Panaca Park. 5. The Mall Portal del Quindío. Don't forget to Pates Paragliding. What to I don't. What to drink? The typical drink of Quindío are the coffee, the forca, the punch, the mazamorra. The paisa trade is on port for and the river. This is a rich, abundant meal, and all the ingredients are grown by farmers in the region. That they include rice, bean, chorizo, rellena, chicharrón, plantain, egg, and arepa. Important fact: in 2011, UNESCO declared landscape cafeteria as cultural heritage of humanity. Contact us. ECA Tour Office. Thank